Photoshop was developed in 1987. During these 30-something years, not only the functions of Photoshop has been upgraded significantly, and also its layouts and workspace are becoming more and more user-friendly. In case you lost your workspace settings already, let's set everything into default. You can go to the top menu, Windows, Workspace, choose Essentials, then click Reset Essentials. First, the largest area in the middle is your canvas. All the pictures you opened will be displayed in this area. At the top is the top menu or main menu, which contains almost all items that are not commonly used but must exist. The most commonly used tools are in the toolbar on the left. You can adjust your picture through different tools. The options for each tool are just below the top menu in this area. Different options will appear for you to adjust depending on the tool you use. The more complex options are these panel on the right. It will provide more options and settings, such as fonts, layers, colors, and other options that require more interface space, all of which will be adjusted in these panel. A small area at the bottom is the status bar. You can also show different information of the current file. Application frame is for the entire Photoshop frame. You can show or hide the entire frame. You can try shortcut F. This way you can hide all the application frame to get a better review of your images. In Workspace, there are several commonly used presets that Photoshop has prepared for you, such as Essentials 3D Motion, Painting, Photography, and Graphic and Web. When you select a Workspace preset, the toolbar and panel will be switched to a layout that is more suitable for the current needs. Beginners are advised to use the Essentials. If you are used to one type of workspace, but sometimes it is very troublesome to pull up some interfaces for frequent operations, you can also click here to lock it. Arrange is a function for those who need to operate and compare multiple documents at the same time. When you open multiple files, you can arrange them in different ways for easy comparison. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.